Fun fact, I just recorded that whole video, but I never pressed record, so I'm doing it again. How fun. Happy Friday to ya. You're gonna show me what you know in math and money today. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our test. It's gonna be a little different because you're at home, so I've sent your parents a PDF on the computer. If they can print it out, great, print it out and you can do it right on the paper. If not, you're just gonna copy the problems down. Now, this is my recommendation for you. Problems that are just counting up money and giving me the amount, you don't need to write out all of those things. You can just write out the total for the money. If it's an addition problem or subtraction, or if it's comparing, I would write those problems out because I think it will help you to stay on track and not get confused. And remember, if you only give me a wrong answer, it can't give you any points. But if you show me the work for how you got to your wrong answer, I can usually give you credit along the way. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to go through the problems just like I would if you were here. And if you have any questions before you get started, you can email me or contact me and let me know. So the first page looks like this. So the first, where were we? There we go. The first four problems that you have here, these are just counting up the money. So again, you don't need to write it, just tell me the total. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do it right now, and it's in the email. These are kind of hard to see, so I'm going to tell you what these coins are. In problem number 1, you have 2 $5 bills, a quarter, and 2 dimes. Problem number 2, $10 bill, $1 bill, $1 bill, nickel, dime, dime, penny, penny. Number 3, you have a $5 bill and then 3 $1 bills. Number 4, you have a 10, and a 5. And then you have 2 nickels and 3 pennies. I would write that on there if you need it. It's also in the email. All right, the next section is comparing. If you are writing this on your own paper, I would like for you to write out both of these numbers. It will not take you very long, and it will help you to check your work if you write those down. The next 4 problems are addition and subtraction. Please, please, oh please, pay attention to your signs. Sorry, it's a little crooked on there on the screen, I can see. You have addition on the top, subtraction on the bottom. Pay attention to the signs. And remember, these problems, if you're doing it on your own paper, I want you to write them down. Please, don't try and do it in your head. Write it down, I'm begging you. All right, on the back. This one is going to be a little bit tricky to do if you are doing it on your own paper. So the directions say cross out the exact money that needed to buy the item at the press. So you can cross out the money, you can circle it. I don't have a preference of how you mark it. But if you're doing this on your own paper, you can just list for me what you're using. So for this one, if you're going to use dollar bill, dollar bill, dollar bill, you could write 3 dollar bills, nickel, quarter, dime. Whatever it is, just list it for me on your paper and then make sure you number it. The last 2 are word problems. You do not need to rewrite the word problem, of course, that would be silly, but I do want to see your math. So let's just read through this. Stan bought hermit crab for $3.75 and a crate to keep the crab in for $19.50. How much money did Stan spend? It sounds like we have 2 dollar amounts and we need to know how much in all. So it sounds to me like we're doing addition in that problem. On this one, I already noticed I have 2 spots. This is a 2-step problem. I'm going to slide it up just so we can read it together. Maybe I am. Is it up? There we go. Okay. Carrie bought a seashell lamp for $15 and a bracelet for $9.75. She gave the cashier $30. How much money did Carrie receive in change? So we have 2 things we have to do for this problem. The first one, I'm going to need to add some money. And then to find my change, I'm going to need to subtract my answer. Good luck. When you are finished, you are going to take a picture of your paper, scan it, copy it, remind it, however you've been sending work to me, and send it in to me. Now, you are at home. I cannot see you. I'm not in control of what you do. I'm trusting that you will do this as much as you can on your own. Remember, your parents are home with you, just like I would be here in the classroom. So if you get stuck and you have a question, of course, ask them. But please show me what you know in your head, not what your brother or your sister or your mom or your dad or your aunt, your uncle, or whoever you're with knows. I want to see what's in your head. Good luck. Happy money.